Okay. God, I don't even know where to begin. Hiya, hello, how you doing? I got my first commission. I'm so happy. It's the first VTuber model I got to design and rig. And that was so fun. Oh my god. I want to do that again. I still want to work on it, but I did finish it and it didn't take me long at all. Maybe 2 weeks. I don't know. Oh, that was really fun. I love the design, I love the character itself, I love the idea, and I'm very excited to see more from this model's future. And as their quote-unquote mom, I'm very proud already. Oh god. The drawing was so much fun, and I think the day I got commissioned, I already started and finished half of it because I was so in it. That was really, really fun. This time, I felt already that I had made so much progress compared to the first model I ever made, which is nowhere to be found. Don't start looking, it's embarrassing. But I still can't get the hang of the body XY and the head XY. I don't know how they do it, I really don't. I have to practice more. I did try a couple of new things this time, like in the eyes and with the mouth, which was really fun. And this time I didn't have to rig cat ears, which was kind of a reliever, because I still don't get them to move as swiftly and smoothly as all the other people do. I don't know how they do it. Still a little bit stiff on the legs, but I'll try something new next time as well, and then maybe we can get her to move a bit more. Commissions are still open. I'm still taking them. I would love to make another model. If I'm lucky, I will get one in the next couple days. Only the rigging, but it doesn't matter, I'm so excited. I want to keep doing this. This is actually so much fun. I love working with Live 2D, and I love drawing. I always have since I was a child, and this is so fun. I love doing this. Not for the fame, not for anything. I just want to draw. And then when the model is moving, it's just the best feeling in the whole world. I love it. My commissions are cheap. I don't want all those thousands of bugs for them because I don't think my work is that much worth. So I'm kind of in the 100 to 300 range for people who want to start VTubing but who aren't really sure about it yet and need to test it and everything. And I just think it would be so bad if they were to lose $1,000 and then don't like it. That'd be sad. So, if you want to try, hit me up. We can discuss some things. I'd be excited to make your model. I think with this model, the most I struggled was the clothing, because it was something else this time. And I have to be honest, I'm too dumb to understand the moving of things when it's a 2D paper and you have to make it 3D. My brain doesn't comprehend, so some of this stuff might seem stiff, but it's not as stiff as the other model I made, so that is really, really nice. I got to play around a little bit with the bounciness of things and got to do my own stuff. But I still reach out to YoshinoArt, which is a VTuber, artist, rigger on YouTube and Twitter, TikTok as well. She makes wonderful tutorials for people like me. And of course, LaTeddy Necto, a dear friend of mine who I think without I wouldn't be doing this because I didn't have the motivation, but she kind of kicked my butt and helped me get in there, and I'm very, very thankful for those two to give me a head start. And all those lovely people out there supporting me on TikTok and Twitter, thank you.